How to find Facebook Messenger message requests. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can find Facebook Messenger message requests. The first step is to open Messenger app on your device. If you do not have this application, you can head over to Play Store or App Store, then search for Messenger. Now, tap on the install button and Messenger application will be installed. If you find the update button, that means your Messenger application requires an update. Go ahead and tap on the update button. Once Messenger has been fully updated, tap open the app. Make sure to log into your account. Now, if your Facebook friend sends you a message, it will appear on this chat section. However, if someone who is not friends with you on Facebook wants to send you a message, it will go to the Facebook Messenger message requests instead. So if you want to find that out, the first step is to tap on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. From here, you will find different options. Select the one that says message requests. Now, on the You May Know tab, you're going to find the list of all the message requests that you have received. Open a chat for more info on who sent it. They won't know that you've seen their messages until you reply. Once you reply, that message is going to appear now on your chats list. On the spam tab, you're going to find all the messages that Facebook think is spam. If any of these messages are not spam and you want to reply to them, you can, and once you reply it, it's going to get on the chat section as well. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.